The ocean, a cradle of strength and fragility, renewal and rebirth, a source of limitless calm. Its gentle strokes caress our hearts, branching into meaning. Exhale and release in its depth. Surrender to the tranquility of the blue mind effect.
Yeah, my relationship with the ocean in one word is connected. My name's Jesse Billauer. I'm the founder of the Life Rolls On Foundation. Yeah, I got hurt surfing when I was 17 years old, just a month before turning professional. Unfortunately, I was surfing up in Malibu and I fell and went headfirst into this sandbar and broke the sixth vertebra in my neck. Became a C6 quadriplegic. Decided to start an organization called Life Rolls On, where we take people with various disabilities, surfing, skateboarding, and fishing. And yeah, being able to give back, it's really nice. And to be able to see other people in my situation, be able to get out there and, try things that they've never done.
From adding rails to surfboards to volunteers guiding the board through the water, adaptive surfing is so much more than just a sport.
The ocean gave back to me a place where I could feel free and independent and joy and not feel constrained in my wheelchair, and I could fall and still float around and just have that weightless enjoyment and peacefulness. What do I see when I see people connect with the ocean? Oh man, smiles, laughter, crying with joy, crying with just happiness that they got to feel the power of the ocean, the healingness of the ocean, and they just want more. If the ocean could hear me right now, I would say thank you, I love you, and I forgive you. How do I feel when I'm in the ocean? Relaxed, peaceful, and feel like I'm together with the other half of me. One thing I've seen that's changed in the ocean is it's a lot more crowded out there. Everyone's realizing how amazing the ocean is. You try to keep it a secret, but the word got out. Showing up for the ocean, it just means taking care of it, not polluting it, not throwing trash in the ocean, and just enjoying the beauty of it, whether it's wild and crazy, just watching it, or peaceful and calm and being out there. The things that I want to see change is just people respecting the ocean a little bit more and caring about it, and not just, whether they're throwing trash or, the right storm drain situation. So it's just not all just flowing straight into the water.
The ocean fosters a connection like no other, one of inexplicable calm, providing humans with a connection to something bigger than themselves. Though the tides wash in and out, though the waves crash against the sand, there's something so powerful about this almost living, breathing, eternal being. In short, living in harmony with the ocean is crucial to who we are. Organizations like Life Rolls On work towards this goal, inspiring long-term change by engaging people's hearts, helping them discover themselves. Change we seek starts from within and slowly seeps into the shifting waves of the ocean, nurturing both community and environmental protection. To get more involved with Jesse and his work, check out liferollson.org. It's never over. Life rolls on.